Hi, I'm Chris Bryce from Superservice.com. Now we're going to look at how to install a wireless mouse for use with your laptop PC. Most laptop wireless mice will come in two pieces with the sending unit as well as the mouse itself. Now when we connect these, we're going to take the sending unit and plug it into the laptop in an open USB port. Then we're going to hit the connect button that's on the bottom of the transceiver. Within a few seconds, we'll take the mouse, which also has a connect button, and hit that one too. You may need to use a paperclip or pen to hit the connect button. Then the connection is made between the mouse and the computer will detect that the mouse is there and install the necessary software to allow you to start using your mouse. It's as simple as that to hook up a wireless mouse for use with your laptop PC.